Yo, good morning, guys. I had a very nice night of sleep. The floor is nice and flat, and it's about to be 8 in the morning. I just been chilling in my tent. I woke up like an hour, just napping, wake. I hear people around. There's still like ATVs going around and stuff, so I can't really go back to sleep anymore. But it's been chilling, taking in the wind and the comfort. It's nice. So guys, it is cleanup time in Playa. We're cleaning up the coasts. It's 10 in the morning. Some people doing it as well. I already pretty much cleaned up my area. It was pretty clean already. There was only like some bottle caps and some cigarette butts, but gotta pick everything. Some more stuff right here. Small things are very important, guys. I don't know how people can really like throw trash in nature and this beauty. It's just, look at this, man. It's this huge ass field. And like, it's beautiful over here. I don't know how people can just leave plastics and trash around. It's just sad. Sad sometimes being part of the same species. Little bits.
Where the food is tiny, it looks like regular food but really tiny. You can put it in your mouth and eat it. Nothing gets stuck in your lips. It's just tiny and fits right in. Fits right in. Little bit.
The little bit's also really important, guys. Oh wait. So much constant loud noise, man. That's why I don't like coming to these type of areas in the weekends. Too much noise, man. Too much activity. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, the little bits also really important. The little small bits of trash also really important, because that's what it gets in the fish and turtles' mouths and then their throats, and they get choked. So everything's important, guys. Everything. So much fucking dust, man. Sí, te doy una hora. Dale, tranquilo. Jeez, man. It's like literally at least 10, 12 of them that just passed. And I'm just standing there like all those dust is getting in my face and my eyes, and I just look over to the right to this other guy, fellow local, and they just look at each other just like goddamn dust. So annoying, man. And it's not just like, it's fine during the day, but like if you're gonna do it like at 12, 1, 2 in the morning, like come on, man. You just gotta be aware, man. You gotta be aware of what you're doing and your actions and your surroundings, man. Ooh, Corona. Not the virus. Another type of virus. Trash Corona bottle. Buen día. ¿Todo bien usted? ¿Cómo está la hora? ¿Sí? ¿No tuviste problemas? ¿Tenían poder?
Tenía poder.
¿Sí? Es con la longboard todo tenía poder.
No todo.
Met some nice people. Girl from Uruguay. And it seems to be her friend or boyfriend, whatever. And they're gonna give me some water because I ran out of water. And I'm really fucking thirsty. Agua, brother. Siempre y cuando esté súper caliente, como quiera me la bebería. Lo que tú quieras, mano. Se te come eso.
Mira, agarra. Es así, yo. Pero se come.
La pepita. First time I eat pomegranate, guys. Gracias. Está bien bueno.
Y ahí también hay. Métele al.
Aquí tiene cranberries y pistachios. Qué rico. Sí, es divertido. Me quita el natural.
Es como los quites ácidos.
Tasting the rainbow.
Ayer nos íbamos sin la panzada.
Viste, el viento dice que se plateara más.
Nos metimos cuando era.
Yo guys, so yeah, I'm gonna keep resuming now on the waste collection, the beach cleaning. It's a nice little break chatting with those guys. Cool meeting them. You guys see this video. Un placer, corillo. Probably hang out with them again. Really cool people. I want to free dive as well, so you know I'm all about free diving. Look at this, guys. Somebody forgot you finished your job. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at this. It's people doing the same thing right there. Two people cleaning right there. We're just walking through the field like I am, just cleaning little bits of trash. Just gotta do, guys. You gotta do whatever you can, guys. Whatever you can. It's in your control. It's in your control. Let's try I found this fish for you guys. Tried it, like you guys saw, didn't really work. Let's try it again. It's a bit bent though. Nope, it lets you fly under the opposite on its head. Oh, I missed some things in my spot. A little Capri Sun straw, a knife cover, and a piece of glass. All right. So guys, I just finished pretty much cleaning. I cleaned like all the way, like beginning of that field, all the way across. It's a huge ass field right across over here, all the way like over there. Managed to find some trash. I feel good. I feel really good. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking down the tents. The tent, and start packing stuff up. I have a friend of mine that is at another beach. He's at another beach called Shacks. We went there in the previous video, and then the first day of camping we went to those caves. He's at that beach with some other friends. They have like a tent set up there chilling. I might go over there, I don't know, but I'm gonna pack things up, and then I might talk to the homies I just met right now, see if they want to join, and we'll see. So I'm gonna join these fellow nice people. Quick dip, take a little wishy-washy, and probably meet up with a homie. Remember this spot, guys? Remember that corner over there, right? Pelican, pelican, guys. Pelican. Chilling. I have the tijereta back over there. It seems to be like diving up and down. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how you say tijereta in English, but they don't like to get wet. And when they usually are going up and down, that means they're behind a predator, trying to get the bait fish out of the water. That's really a good indicator for fishing. Let's go.
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess so easily.
Sure, there's a reef. I'm spinning right over the reef and it's really shallow. And I don't want to touch it. Just in case there's a rockfish chilling. Rockfishes are deadly, man. You don't want that.
I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet. If I could have
Wishy-washy. Por ahí sí, va a contarme los pan and chucks.
Claro, duro.
Sí,
Pero vamos a comer y si cuando salimos estamos motivaditos, te tiro.
un placer. Cuídate.
Bueno, qué bueno conocerte.
Agustina, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Bello, bello.
A ver si nos vemos por el agua por ahí.
Yeah, guys. So now I just said goodbyes to those guys. But right now I'm heading towards Shack's Beach. That's where Walter, aka Jibaro Guajiro, you know who he is. You saw him in the first video. He's over there chilling with some other people. So I'm gonna meet up with them over there. Dude, same guy on the one board. That's the same guy we saw on the one board in Playuela. Yeah. Same guy, he just keeps rolling, he's vibing. So guys, I made it to Shack's and it's packed. It is Sunday and it's pretty packed. Check this out, man. Look at these goddamn fucking cars. There's even like, I've never been here where it's so packed that there's like a middle parking in the middle of the parking lot. Alright, I'm at Shack's, really packed. Find out my friends, see where they're at. They probably are like further that way. I found him. Right guy.
Come on, in the morning light. My mother says, when you gonna live your life right? Oh mama dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Phone rings in the middle of the night. My father yells, what you gonna do with your life? Oh daddy dear, you know you're still number one. But girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Alright guys, it's been a nice fucking weekend. Gonna go eat. Don't know where. Don't really care. Picked up more trash. Because, you know, Playuela is not the only beach that needs cleaning.
Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world.
Yes, get that model walk on. So I saw that walking up with elegance.
I wanna be the one to walk in the sun.
El chero tiene que estar yendo.
Un guaragua o un vidre? I don't know how you say this in English. But
Es un eagle.
it's an eagle or falcon feather. I don't know.
No, un falcon.
No, un falcon. Eagle.
Oh my god, it was so red.
Alright guys, we made it to the restaurant. We made it to the restaurant. Did we make it to the restaurant?
We made it.
We made it. We took a little bit of a scenic route. We were gonna eat at this other place, but it was really full. So we're gonna eat
I've been there before.
Thailandese. Really nice place here in Isabela. I forgot the name of it. I'll let you guys know in a bit.
The gentle April rain that stained the window panes last night is all but gone, but lingers on in scented clouds of air. We watch the town awaken to the trembling morning lights. You're so near and spring is everywhere.
What did almost get plastic in my drink? Sake and biodegradable plastic. So my dumbass decided to do the outro with some Pearl Jam playing in the background. Nice. Guys, this has to be one of the best weekends I've had in my life. I solo camped for the first time in one of my favorite spots in Puerto Rico. We cleaned up nature, met some nice people, met up with some friends, and just had a ball. Thanks for tuning in, my loves. Catch you in the next episode. Peace.